Hi there! I'm going to go over a couple of quick and easy acrylic painting tips for beginners. One of the most frequently asked questions that I get is how to make acrylics stay wet longer since they dry so quickly. My answer is to use a retarding agent, often called a retarder, which can be added to your acrylics with a little water to help them stay wet longer. For blending and working colors, you'll need something that helps paint stay workable for a longer time. Add a little retarder to your paint, plus a little bit of water, and they will flow and be workable for up to 45 minutes. Blends are helped with retarders, so if you want to create a highly blended painting, you'll need an agent like this. For more tips and techniques, check out my Creative Pro Tips at 101artist.com, where you can learn to paint with tutorials and new techniques. So subscribe to get updates because I have new tutorials coming. Thanks for watching.